Facebook, YouTube, right here, AO Cleaning. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. We are on a job here in beautiful Columbia, Illinois. We came out about a couple weeks ago and gave a quote on their hardwood, their tile, and the carpet. And they decided to go ahead at this time do their tile and grout and reseal, and also the carpet. And they'll schedule the hardwood another date. But yeah, that's what we're doing, guys. Got a total of 4 areas of carpet cleaning and reapplying their factory carpet protector. So you guys know we charge $60 per area for cleaning, and then half the cost to re-protect it. And then we're doing the tile and grout cleaning and sealing at $2 a square foot. So we got a total of, I believe, 3 bathrooms that we're doing. Jack and Jill bathroom and a couple other bathrooms at tile and grout and reseal that. And that's going to be it, guys. So stay tuned for some results. As always, don't forget to hit the bell, like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook as well. So yeah, guys, what a beautiful day. Man, it's gorgeous. This kind of weather I like. Everybody getting back from vacation, and they're having a lot of things they're building here through Columbia as well. So we're growing. So, all right, guys, let's go. Got the technician there setting up now. All right. Again, guys, if you have any pet issues, tea, wine, things like that, this is a popular spotter that we sell. You just spray it on and walk away. This stuff is a hot seller. And people talk about it, and again, I recommend this to if you got kids and pets. It's a go-to. Set this up here. I'm going to prime it. And yeah, guys, stay tuned. As you guys know, we're pre-treating at the fabric now, the carpet fibers, so it can penetrate and suspend that soil load. This is a contractor grade carpet, which is typical for new builds. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're steaming it out now. We already pre-treated the carpet, let it dwell, and then agitated it. Suspended the soil load. Now we're steaming it out, otherwise known as hot water extraction. This sanitizes the fibers as well, up to 230 degrees, as you guys know in other videos. But this is a maintenance clean, guys. So this is just a maintaining of the carpet, which is important to keep your warranty valid. Essentially, you're supposed to get your carpets clean for warranty work every 12 to 18 months. That's by the standard of your carpet purchase on terms and conditions. It is stated on there, get it cleaned by a professional company, truck mounted system that's IICRC certified, and your warranty is valid. And unfortunately, if you do it yourself, you do void your warranty. The reason why, we went to school for this, you did not. So again, guys, hope this added value to you and educated you. And as always, there's 3 types of cleaning. There's warranty, there's restorative, and there's maintaining. And this falls under the warranty/maintaining category, which is predominantly the most carpet cleaning that we do. We rarely do restorative, unless it's a rental or a house flipper. But most homeowners take care of their investment, and we just come to maintain it and keep their warranty valid, and take care of any dog issues that they may have a concern. Which we do that too. If you guys have any pet issues or areas of concern, we can address it, identify it with our special UV pet light, and then we can treat those areas accordingly and emulsify them and digest them, those enzymes. And of course, that is a specialty treatment. And of course, that's outside the scope of cleaning, because you can't clean your own, you got to treat it. But we have a price list that kind of spells that out for you guys on our website, or you can give us a call and we can let you know what that is. Typically, it's $45 per spot, and if it's all over the place, we just give you a flat rate, up to 5 areas of $225 per room. Hope that added value to you guys. We do charge by the room, $60 an area. We also are re-protecting the carpet fibers, re-protecting the factory carpet protector. Keeps the carpet from being dirtier faster, helps prevent resoiling, and make vacuuming easier. which is a huge benefit. So I'm going to finish up, guys. You can see this carpet is responding very well. Next, we're going to clean is our tile, which is in their bathroom there. Another happy client. Need the service? Please reach out. Happy to help you. Remember, guys, before you floor it, let us restore it. All right, guys, I'm going to finish up. Stay tuned for some tile cleaning and a testimonial from a client. Beautiful. All right, guys, just got finished up on the carpets. Beautiful. Now we're going to do the tile. Stay tuned. Here's a little preview, guys, of the way the tile looks. It's common. Most time, tile and grout's not sealed on new construction. So it does get dirty, as you guys can see. Look at that, all that soil load. This is the kids' bathroom. We're gonna break it up and suspend it. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're cleaning it now. You guys can see. Responding good. Getting it back to the original state so these guys can enjoy their beautiful tile and grout. If you guys need the service, reach out. Remember, it's easier to clean and clean dirty, and it's cheaper than replacement. Again, this is a maintenance service. In this case, we're restoring the grout that we can seal it and keep it clean. You're gonna love it, guys. Stay tuned. All right, just look at this difference, guys. Night and day. Look at that. Wow. All right, guys, we're cleaning the master bedroom now. Tile and grout. Again, this is a maintenance tile and grout clean. We're going to seal farm as well. You guys see it's responding well. You don't have to walk on dirty floors that harbor bacteria, germs, viruses, all that stuff. Keep it clean so you have a healthy indoor environment. And that's what we do, guys. We first clean for health and then for appearance. Stay tuned. All right, guys, you just groom this carpet and Scotch guarded it. Looks great. And we already did the tile. We're actually letting it dry. Tina's just putting the Scotch guard down now. We're letting it dry before we put the sealer down. As you guys can just see, look how much better this tile looks, guys. There's some wet spots that's still drying, but man, night and day difference. Just look at this, guys. Look at that. It's white again. Look at that. See that? That's what we do. And it is drying in spots, but when it dries, we're gonna seal it, lock out that dirt. And all is well. Stay tuned. Let me show you guys the other tile and grout we did. Let's get the hallway bathroom. Now it is still drying, but look at this, guys. Night and day. All that soil is gone. And we're gonna seal it. Of course, in here, you do the master bath. Look at this, guys. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. Look at that. Like brand new. We did the closet, little bathroom in this area here. So yeah, guys, they love it.